Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the RoBuilder YouTube channel. That might be the first or second time I've ever stumbled my intro. Anyways, we have a bunch of more sword submissions today, and a lot of texturing to do, / fixing swords. So, first things first, as we always do, also these two, they're just like the bottoms of swords. The tops weren't there, so I may have to like try to re-import those if I find the file. Problem is no one really names it. They're all just called swords, so it's very hard to find files. But first things first, I'm just gonna look at the face orientation, and as you can see, we do have some stuff that appears red, which means it's an inverted face, and we cannot have that in our game. So I'm gonna go ahead, go into this, and do Shift N, my bad. And there we go. That fixed a lot of it. Let me go back into this. And sometimes it's just like this because we're zoomed so far away. Oh, my computer is so slow. Oh my. Okay. So if we like zoom in over here, this one's fine. This is literally fine. Maybe I'll fix this guy. Yeah, I'll have to fix like that part of it. But other than that, it's fine. Right here we gotta fix. I don't even know what's going on. Yeah, this one's just kind of broken. Like if it's the right way on one side, it's the wrong way on the other. So I'll have to figure that one out. Let me see. Anything else that we have really bad faces on? This right here. Yeah, I don't know what's up with the head here. So I'll have to figure that guy out too. And I think that is all. Also, I have a new favorite mic, or I mean a new favorite sword. It's this microphone right here. This is my new favorite one. But I'm gonna go ahead, texture these, get all the normals faced the right way, and I'll kind of just do check-ins as I go. Alright guys, so far so good. We're making great progress on these swords, and we have some really cool ones here, so check these guys out. Oh, I need to move this thing back a little bit, just a little bit. There we go. We have some really cool swords so far. I'm liking this one. It reminds me of that one Pokemon that has like this thing in his hand. I don't know what his name is, but I hope you know what I'm talking about. It just reminds you of him. We have a cool like clown type thing, which I really like this one. A dual sword, sort of a machete type thing. And then this looked like a banana chocolate thing that's like a bone. I don't know what this is. I couldn't tell you, just to be honest. I can't do it. I'm gonna move this down. I really like this candle one. That's probably another one of my favorites. This one's all right. This thing's kind of, it'll be a good for the beginner swords. This one's cool. This, I like it that it's not just a lollipop. However, it's definitely gonna need decimated. This is a lot of, just a lot. It definitely needs decimated. And then we have this feather and this sort of a feather type thing. So we're doing pretty good so far. We're not even halfway done. Like, we definitely have a lot more to do, but we're making great progress, and I'm excited to put all of these in the game. All right, guys, we're making tremendous strides in very short amounts of time. So let's go over some stuff real quick. I still think so far, texture-wise, two favorite. This one's got to be the candle and this clown one. I like the clown one because it's like more complex, like there's more going on, and I think I kind of like it the same for the candle. There's just like texture, like it just feels awesome. So massive shout out to whoever made these two. It's very hard to keep track of who makes swords because it's just like flooded. Like all Discord DMs get flooded, and I try to just quickly download them all, and it's so hard to just keep track of who's making them all. So if I can find out a good way to keep track of this, I want to give everyone some sort of a role in the game or the group, called like contributor or something, or blacksmith, like something cool. But you gotta just give me some time on that. I don't know how I'm gonna track everyone who made a sword because it's quite a lot actually. So I don't know if it's gonna be a possibility or not, but I'm gonna try. Favorite ones in the set so far, as we already went over, we definitely the candle and this clown one. I like this guy as well, but probably not one of my favorites. Definitely clown, candle, and I like the flame idea on this one, and I love the crutch. Just because it's like, I love when I ask swords and you guys make stuff like this. Like, this is the aesthetic I want. Just stupid stuff. Like, bro, why is there a crutch flying, you know? Why am I hitting people with a crutch? So that's funny. A lemon on a crowbar. I mean, that's pretty funny as well. So I still don't know what this guy is. Like, what is this guy here? All right, let's just look at it. Oh, I'm not sure what it is. It looks like a plane wing on Sonic's ring. You know, I don't know. Let me know. If you made this one, give me some details. I think this is this is like a stop sign. Okay, bet. I need to flip that around. Now at least I know how to texture that one. I thought it was a spoon again. I was gonna have to delete it, but no, it's some sort of a sign. And then we have some stupid ones like, bro, what is What is this guy? And I don't mean stupid in a bad way either. I love the stupid ones, all right? Oh, and this is another one of my favorites. This, like, stick thing right here. I love the emergency case one. And, of course, as I already mentioned, this mic stand. I absolutely love this one. But I'm going to get back to the texture game, guys. Hopefully finish this up. And then I'll be able to show all of them off in their whole glory. Everything, all in all. Alright guys, all swords have been textured except these two down here because they're just the bases. I'll either make the tops for those, or if the people that made these two see this video and you want to like try to resend the file, or just bump your DM, because it's probably not the file that's messed up. Just when I imported it, something may have happened, so just bump your DM because it's impossible for me to find who submitted what at the moment. But if you made these and they're not supposed to look like this, I would imagine there's a sword on the top of these. Just bump the DM. Let me see them. And yes, the mic, guys, look at the mic. This is my favorite one, hands down, my favorite sword right now. I think. Let me just make sure because we have a ton. I think it's my favorite one, dude. I honestly think, yeah, the mic's my new favorite sword. I might even make that an admin sword. I don't know. It's great. We have the emergency, in case emergency. I like that one. Very, very cool. Some random guys, just like these. We have this one, which is like keycaps, which is pretty cool. And they say L on them, so I like that. We have multiple spiked bats, okay? I think this one's the best one. So I'm getting a point where I'm gonna have to start like scrapping old stuff in turn for new one. I guess we only have this spiked bat, so we could probably keep both since they're a bit different of a style. But if we have repeat swords, I'm gonna have to scrap the bad ones and put in the better ones, sadly, because we're getting to that point. We have this duck sword, which looks incredible. I love this guy. Oh, I forgot to texture this. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. Image texture. Let's throw on two. They already textured it for me. All right, cool. Didn't need to do much there. We have a lemon crowbar, the flame, the crutch, a rake with, you know, it looks all right. A balloon right here. We have these two guys, pretty similar, but a little different. Spike chain, this sword. What is this guy? I don't know what this thing is, all right? But you know what? He's here. He's living his life. We have a spear, which looks pretty cool. This, like, sword with a jagged edge. I don't really know overly how to explain it. A karambit, whatever this thing is, and then some random swords here. And then we've already went over all of these. I still think the candle and the mic stick out of this set are definitely my favorites. In third and fourth place, I'm going with the emergency case one, because that's awesome. And the duck one, because it's funny. It's genuinely funny. Let me go ahead and move these over. They already look to be about the same size. I've already resized them, honestly. But we'll be doing that again in studio to make sure everything's the right size. I'm just going to move all of these up here because I have to still export them and everything like that. Import them into studio. All the good moves. And I also need to go this way and make sure everything that has a blade on one side is facing the correct way, which is towards the right. So I have to kind of go through, as you can see, like this one's not, this one's not. I'll have to go through that and do all of those, but I'm not going to bore you with all of the nitty-gritties on video. I think that is going to wrap it up for today. If you did enjoy this video and you want to see more content like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.